Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today about shift boot. You can see what shift boot in my car so worn out that I can see the road through it. It is very bad because dirt from the road gets into the car interior, and therefore the best solution would be to replace the shift boot. I have old shift boot from the Volvo 240 series, and I also made special plate what would be hold it. And it seems to me what I will need: remove the carpet, this rubber carpet.
Unscrew the shift knob. When the shift boot is worn out, unpleasant odors and dirt can get into the car interior. I remove the shift boot. Also, exhaust odors can penetrate into the car interior. I need to take it off carefully so as not to damage the rubber carpet. To remove the carpet from the car, I need to disconnect the gas pedal. Carpet is very old, dirty and torn. A lot of rust can be found on the carpet. I need to take out these clips. Instead of these clips, I will use screws. Will the plate I made fit here? Just need to make holes for screws. I wipe the dust that came from the road. Also, I have to make thread for these screws. Shift boot just with metal plate. I tighten the screws on the thread. The plate must completely repeat the bend or transmission tunnel. The carpet is very dirty. To wipe off the dust, I spray it with a spray bottle and wipe it with a blue cloth. The floor in the car also needs to be wiped. Well, that's all right. Now let's check our shift boot. Gear shifting is very good. By design, I like the shifter boot from the 240 series. If you like it, be sure to click thumbs up. Thanks for your attention.